Damn, girl, did you get thicker?
I'm pretty sure this is the talking Tom that got my cat pregnant. This is her reaction to seeing him again.
When you're funky.
When you feed your neighbor's cat one time.
Castaways. We are castaways.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Something tells me that this cat is going to be very accepting of my peace offering.
Want some? Yeah. There you go.
This is Allie, and she might possibly be the fattest cat in the world.
Okay, I'm dumping you out. Oh, God. Jesus, Murphy. No. Well, at least she's doing some crunches.
This is Allie's first grooming, and boy does she need it.
Ma'am, you need a diet. I don't think you're gonna fit in this thing. Okay, kitty kitty. Nope. Nope. I can't even scoop the water. There's no room.
At this point, I'm really going to need to invest in a larger kitty bath.
You're a stinky feline. Oh, is there a bunch of poop? Ew, look at its butt. I'm sorry, kitty, but you have to stay because this is some nasty stuff here.
Being so obese, Allie cannot clean herself properly, especially in her back end, so she needed some assistance.
Hi, kitty. You really needed this. You were quite nasty. You look like a sumo wrestler.
Most pets look smaller when wet, but Allie, on the other hand, looks like a flubbery seal pup.
You need a diet.
I shaved off her stage 5 clingers, and then I blow-dried her. While most cats tend to run away from the dryer, I don't believe that Allie knows what running is. In order to appreciate Allie's circumference, you must view her from the angle on my lap. It was at this moment that I realized her true calico orb of a fupa.
Not having it?
No, it's not happening.
Okay, cut it off.
Look at that.
So much hair.
I de-shed her with the EquiGroomer de-shedding brush. and I'm going to assume that due to Allie's lack of self-grooming, she was shedding several years' worth of fur today. I sprayed her down in bubblegum cologne, which is safe for cats, and then I ended our session with another peace offering. I know Allie is feeling like a whole new woman. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the abundant Allie.
Goodbye. Hey.
And so this dude found a wheel from a garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down. No, you can't have it. Nope. Nope.
It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it.
적폐꾼 날노.
Huff, 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 huff.
But God, I wanna feel again. Oh God, I wanna feel again.
That was it? I don't know, man. I'm so hungry. I gotta have a little of these.
Poor Simba.
Come on.